Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be super exciting because I'm going to show you how to use the AI video generator in CapCut using just your mobile phone. Yes, no laptop, no complicated editing, everything done with AI. So let's get started. First, open the CapCut app on your phone. If you don't have it yet, you can easily download it from the Play Store or App Store. Now, once you open the app, look for the option called AI Video Generator, or sometimes it may show as Text-to-Video or AI Tools. CapCut keeps updating its features, so the name might be slightly different, but don't worry, you'll find it on the home screen. Next step, tap on it. Now here comes the magic part. You just need to type what kind of video you want. For example, you can write, "Make a cinematic travel video with mountains and sunset," or "Create a motivational video with powerful quotes." After typing your idea, select the style. CapCut gives you different options like cinematic, anime, realistic, or vlog style. Choose whatever matches your content. Then, hit the Generate button. Now wait for a few seconds, and boom, your AI video is ready. But we're not done yet. You can edit the video further, add music, change text, apply filters, or even adjust clips. CapCut also provides auto captions, which is super useful for YouTube and Instagram Reels. If you want to make your video more professional, try adding trending sounds or background music directly from CapCut's library. Finally, once everything looks perfect, click on Export, choose your resolution, like 1080p, and save it to your phone. And that's it. Using CapCut AI Video Generator is that simple. You don't need any editing skills. Just your ideas, and AI will do the rest for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.